My dear students, in this video we will complete exercise and question answer given in chapter number 12, the cherry tree. In my previous video we have read the chapter with its Hindi meaning. So let's start. First question is given, read and learn. So here are given some words, and in question number A we have to arrange all the words in alphabetically order. Okay, so first word is breeze, second is bulging, next is haunches, and after that mantis, and next is outskirts, and pebbles, and after that plod, and next is promptly, and next is scramble, next is sit, next is sprinkle, and next is swish, and next is tang, and last is whisper. In our next question, we have to write one word for the given sentences. जैसे बेटा हिंदी में वाक्यांश होते हैं वैसे ही इंग्लिश में वन वर्ड होते हैं. सो यहाँ पर हमें कुछ वर्ड्स दिए गए हैं, उनके लिए हमें एक सिंगल वर्ड लिखना है. ओके, सो मिक्सचर ऑफ गैसेस सराउंडिंग द अर्थ इज कॉल्ड air. Upper layer of the earth in which planets grow, it is called soil. Next is surface, that is, sorry beta, question number 2 I will repeat. Upper layer of the earth in which plants grow, it is called soil. Then third is surface that is an angle of less than 90, it is called slope. Next is take place, it is called happen. And next is take air into the lungs and send it out again, it is called breath. Next is wood used for lighting fires or as fuel, it is called firewood. And next is the ability of land to produce crops, it is called fertility. And next is people living in an area, city or country, it is called population. And last is make on a large scale using machinery, it is called manufacture. Now we will complete the question answers given in the same chapter. So question number 1 is, where did Rakesh live? Where did Rakesh live? And the answer will be Rakesh lived on the outskirts of Mussoorie. Next question is, where did Rakesh do to the seed? What did Rakesh do to the seed? And the answer will be Rakesh planted the seed. Question number 3 is, what happened to the plant when it was 2 feet tall? And answer will be a goat entered the garden and ate all the leaves of the plant. Next question is, why did grandfather scold the woman? And the answer is, grandfather scolded the woman because she had cut the plant into two. बेटा जब मैंने चैप्टर आपको एक्सप्लेन किया था उस टाइम मैंने बताया था कि स्कोल्ड का मीनिंग होता है डांटना. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाई डिड राकेश लाइक द ट्री सो मच? सो आंसर इज राकेश लाइक द ट्री सो मच बिकॉज ही प्लांटेड द ट्री हिमसेल्फ. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाई डिड ही encircle द स्मॉल चेरी प्लांट विथ पेबल्स? पेबल्स आपको पता है, छोटे छोटे पत्थर. सो इसका आंसर होगा ही encircled द स्मॉल चेरी प्लांट विद पेबल्स फॉर सपोर्ट एंड प्रोटेक्शन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, हाउ डज द चेरी ट्री प्रूव द क्रिएटिव पावर ऑफ नेचर? एंड द आंसर इज, इट डिड नॉट डाई even though its leaves were all eaten by a goat and it was cut into two. It lived and grew in due course. Next and last question is, nothing is lucky if you put it away. If you want luck, You must put it to some use. What did grandfather mean by these words? And the answer will be grandfather meant to say that the seed of the cherry should be planted. So beta, this was explanation of exercises and question answer. Thank you.